When it comes to enhancing both the beauty and functionality of a home, few improvements make as immediate an impact as installing new doors. For homeowners in Ferndale, replacement doors are more than just a style choice, they're an investment in lasting value. From boosting curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, choosing the right replacement doors provides benefits that extend well beyond the surface. Enhanced curb appeal and first impressions. The front door is often the first thing guests, neighbors, and even potential buyers notice. A worn-out, faded, or outdated door can drag down the entire appearance of your home, while a fresh replacement instantly revitalizes the exterior. Modern replacement doors in Ferndale come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, making it easy to match your home's architectural design. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of a wooden entry door, the sleek look of steel, or the low-maintenance benefits of fiberglass, there are options that reflect your personality while increasing the overall value of your home. Improved energy efficiency. Ferndale homeowners know how important it is to keep energy bills under control, especially with changing Michigan seasons. Older doors often let in drafts and fail to properly insulate, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. New replacement doors are designed with advanced materials, insulated cores, and tight seals that prevent heat loss in the winter and keep interiors cool in the summer. This boost in energy efficiency not only makes your home more comfortable year-round but also translates into significant savings on monthly utility bills. Over time, those savings contribute to the long-term value of the investment. Superior security and peace of mind. A secure home starts at the entryway. Many older doors were not built with today's safety standards in mind. Replacement doors in Ferndale often feature reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and durable materials that stand up to forced entry attempts. Homeowners can enjoy peace of mind knowing their family and belongings are better protected. Upgrading to a stronger, more secure door is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to increase safety while also boosting your property's value. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Another reason homeowners choose replacement doors is the reduced need for upkeep. Modern designs are engineered to resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in harsh weather conditions. Materials like fiberglass and steel require far less maintenance than traditional wood, saving homeowners both time and money over the years. By investing in a replacement door that's built to last, Ferndale residents enjoy not only lasting durability but also the peace of mind that comes with a long-term home improvement solution. Increased home value and market appeal. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, a new replacement door can make a powerful difference in marketability. Real estate experts consistently note that exterior upgrades, particularly entry doors, offer some of the highest returns on investment in the home improvement world. A stylish, efficient, and secure replacement door enhances buyer perception, making your property more attractive and helping it stand out in a competitive market. Even if you're not selling soon, knowing that your home's value is strengthened adds confidence to the investment. Customized options to fit every home in Ferndale is unique, and replacement doors can be tailored to meet a wide range of preferences. From bold colors that make a statement to classic finishes that blend seamlessly with existing decor, the customization options are nearly endless. Homeowners can select decorative glass inserts, side lights, or unique hardware to create an entryway that's both functional and a reflection of personal style. Conclusion: Ferndale homeowners choose replacement doors not only for the immediate visual upgrade but for the lasting value they bring. From energy savings and enhanced security to low-maintenance durability and higher resale appeal, the benefits make this improvement one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether your goal is to refresh your home's appearance, lower utility costs, or increase property value, a replacement door offers a long-term solution with advantages you'll appreciate for years to come.